if you're new to our channel, my partner Adam and I and our dog Twyla have been travelling around Australia for the last 3 years. We mostly travel in our converted Ford Transit camper van and occasionally take our Suzuki Jimny out tent camping, and we don't even mind doing a few Airbnbs in between, large and small. So for everything camp cooking, paid and free camping locations, camping tips and tricks, and the good old country bakery, you've come to the right place. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe and come travel Australia one town at a time. Now you know who we are, let's get back to the episode. So we've just arrived at the caravan park where we're going to be staying. Basically, you've got all the ocean out here. So we're now in Adelaide, and over here, Adam's just going to get the keys, and Jen and Hudson are going to be sleeping in one of these cabins. And I don't know quite where we're going to be staying. Hopefully we're staying along the water, but I don't know. We don't even know. So we'll find out in a second. Hopefully Adam comes back with some good news for us. Twyla, hey, you're not crying today. You're not crying. Normally you cry when Daddy's out of the car. Anyway, here comes Adam. So let's see if we get lucky or not. All right, so Adam. Oh, so by the way, guys, we're at Brighton. What is it? Brighton Caravan Park. Holiday Park on the water, I think. Beachfront. Sorry. And yeah. So what number have we got?
There's space for Jen.
Yep, I think she's got space.
Oh, we're literally on the edge facing the water. We're probably in the best spot.
Awesome. All right, so we just pulled up in our spot, and here it is. We've actually got an ocean view, and we've got a bit of this here, set up our table and stuff, and we can pull out an annex out here. So I think this looks really good. Now to get set up. Let me go see where Adam is. What do you think, Adam?
Yeah, that's
Look at that good. Through the window. It already looks magic. Look out here. How
I just
awesome
wish
is
they
that?
had dropped the ramp for the but I mean, you know what? We've got some ocean view.
Hey, it's ocean view. Can't complain about that. All right, well, let's get set up and go see how the guys' rooms looks. So we've just finished setting up. We've got a beautiful cheese platter again tonight, and we brought this bread from one of the towns we stopped at today, some nice sourdough. Let me show you. So this is what we're facing. Now, it might not look like much from here. Well, actually, it does look pretty good from here. But let me just take you up here and show you the view from the top. So this is the view that we're enjoying at the moment while having our cheese and wine. But let me just take you up the ramp and just show you the beautiful beach that we'll be visiting tomorrow. It's absolutely gorgeous. So this here is the park. And as you come around, you start to see the beach. You got some buildings down there. Beautiful white sand. And some more buildings and the rest of the caravan park. How gorgeous is that? And the best part is, dogs are allowed on the beach. Twyla's going to be happy. But yeah, this is just the best spot. And we're here for 3 nights. So there we are. Time to go back and have wine and cheese night. gotten up this morning, grabbed ourselves a coffee, and I'm going across to the beach. And yeah, how good is it? 2 minute, not even 2 minute, 30-second walk to the beach. And I think just a little tricked. Every dog and their owner is out today. They're all walking along the beach. Check that out. And where's Twyla? She's in the van sleeping with Adam. Both too lazy to get up. But I'm just going to enjoy my coffee on the beach. So we've come back from a pretty big day, and before we go out for dinner, we're giving the mini golf course a go at the Caravan Park. How cool is this? It's probably the fanciest one I've ever seen in a caravan park. But anyway, let's see some of Huddy's golf skills. Now, just to let you know, this place has plenty of different cabins, all different sizes. This one, they're larger ones. Also, you've seen the one that Jen and Hudson are staying in, which are these, and they even have smaller ones at the front, and they have some towards the front of their property near the beach, and heaps of caravan spots. So you can bring caravan, RV, camper vans, you name it. There's so many different types here today. So at the side of the caravan park, they have this food truck here that does seafood, fish and chips, all the rest of it. So we've just come down for our lunch. Well, there you have it, guys. We've come to an end of another episode. Now, if you enjoy our episodes and you want to support our channel, make sure when the little circle comes up, touch that circle. That will subscribe you. And otherwise, you can always go down the bottom, like, subscribe, tell everyone about us, ring the bell, and do all that fancy stuff. But just make sure you're tuning in next Sunday at 5 p.m. All right, guys. See you next week. Ciao.